Hi, my name is Yoshia, and I'm the founder of Ventus Therapy LLC. We're a health and wellness company that specializes in giving one-on-one physical therapy. And we're primarily serving the Queens and Flushing area. Now, the reason why we started this company is that we were finding, as therapists, a lot of holes in the American medical system. We weren't able to give the type of care in the insurance-based system that we wanted to give. We were limited to 15-minute visits. We were limited to only evaluating for 15 to 30 minutes, sometimes 45 minutes, but being rushed and unable to give you, the patient, type of care that you need. So that's why we started this company, in order to give you personalized, real care. And this began when one of the patients that I was treating previously just needed so much more than what I had available to give them. And without going into too much patient or private details, they essentially were taken advantage of by different surgeons, physical therapists, chiropractors. He was used from the insurance side for social media. This particular patient, I just really felt like I wanted to give the entire world to, and I couldn't in that scenario. But now that we've built this company, I'm able to give that kind of care for that patient and hopefully for this community and beyond. So basically how this works is you'd want to schedule a total body diagnostic, and it's an evaluation that would further suit you in order to give you answers to the root cause of what's causing your pain, your chronic symptoms, and what is overall going on with your body.
All right, so for the initial diagnostic, the first initial step that we're going to do is that we're going to listen to your story. We're going to hear you out and kind of help you determine the root cause of what's been, causing your pain, your dysfunction, whatever it may be. The second step of what we're going to do next is that we're going to make sure that we implement the correct interventions to help bridge that gap between where you are right now and your goals later on. And finally, the last step that we're going to also implement is just making sure that you have a full return to that function, whatever you want it to be, and kind of set you up going on later on in life. We're going to teach you how to protect yourself and how to kind of make sure that we can mitigate these issues going forward. So if you want to schedule initial diagnostic with us, we just have a few more steps for you to do. First thing you're going to do is you're just going to click below this video. There's a link. You're going to click that link, and that's going to help you schedule an appointment with us. The next important thing to take note of is that there is a deposit, but the reason why we have a deposit is to make sure that you get the appointment that you want at the time that you need it. And finally, the last thing that we're going to do is we're also going to send out an email to you. And that email is just going to include a form for you to fill out. And we just ask you to fill that out to make sure that our sessions go as smoothly and as quickly as possible.
I want to thank you guys for choosing Ventus Therapy to be your main provider, to make sure that you have a happy and healthy life. Your wellness is our world.